Jam guys, and welcome back to Change Place Labs. In this video, I'll be showing exactly how to create an account on the Polymarket. So first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Play Store if you're an Android user. But if you are using iPhone, then you want to go to Apple Store, right? So next you want to do is to tap on the search bar and search for Polymarket. And here we have Polymarket, okay? So tap on it. Oops, we have a little challenge here. Here's the note. The early access program is currently full. Space may open up later. Okay, so let's try web account. Okay, so let's search Polymarket. Okay, so this is Polymarket. Let's tap on it. Okay, all right. So here is the market. Let's wait for it to load. Here we're supposed to see sign up or something. Okay, at the top market. So let's tap on it to sign up. All right, so you can see continue with Google, or you have different wallets where you can continue with. So let's continue with Google. So I've tapped on it. All right, so I'm going to choose my Google account. I'm going to use to create an account with. Tap on continue. So it has been connected and you can see the icon here has changed. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on the settings icon. All right, so on the settings icon here we can see the email I use to register. So you can change the icon here to your face by putting any of your image or with something that you want to use as your profile pics. All right, for example, then tap done. All right, so we are just using these as a placeholder. You can always change to your real image or your avatar. And then if you want to fund your account, then come down here to where you see this icon, the last part here. Tap on it. All right, so when you tap on it, you see the deposit button and then the withdrawal button. Since you want to deposit, you can just tap on the deposit. All right, use crypto, use hard. So any of them you want to use, you are free to deposit and start trading. Okay, Polymarket is the world's largest prediction market platform, launched in 2020. It has over 1.2 million active wallets with 10 to 25 billion US dollars trading. The platform has experienced rapid scaling with high single-day return reaching $425 million and prediction of hundreds of millions in annual volume. So guys, if this video was helpful, ensure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.